Endscreen helps you to promote a lot of things on your channel. It helps you to encourage people that are watching your video to subscribe. It helps you to promote other videos on your channel, and it also helps you to share links of anything you want to sell on YouTube. On today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can add and promote your videos through Endscreen. Now, if you don't know what Endscreen means, like the English is hard, is that, you know, that thing you see at the end of every video where like maybe 5 to 10 seconds when a video is about to end, you see something like subscribe, or you see like a feature of another video showing. How you can add those things to help your subscribers click on them to watch your next video, or people that have not subscribed to click on them to subscribe. This video is dedicated to the main underscore Nurse Precious. I hope I got your name right. She asked me this question in the comment section, and I promised to make a video on that. So I hope you get to see this video, and I hope that it helps you. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial.
Okay, once you go to your browser, it could be Chrome, it could be Google, it could be Safari, depending on anyone you want to use. You just type YouTube Studio desktop site, and it will take you directly to this icon. Sometimes it goes direct to the app, and sometimes it shows you something like this, and then you tap continue to studio instead of get the app, because if you tap get the app, it takes you back to the app. So you tap continue to studio, then it just opens your YouTube Studio in a web manner. So this is your YouTube Studio where you have your analytics and everything you do, in a broader form. So I'm just going to pick content, because content is where all your videos are. This button here, I'll pick it, and then it shows you all your content, all your videos and everything. So it might be your last video or anyone you want to add. For me, I've added in most of these videos, so I'm scrolling down to the video that I've not added, which is this vlog that I did in December. So I'm going to pick this vlog now, and then I'll tap on this title area, and it shows me this form. So there's playlist, there's audience, there's is it for kids or not, there are different things there. I believe you know these ones. Then you move to the other side. It's because I made it bold so that you guys can see. If not, everything it appears on the screen. You will see the public, you will see restriction and all. You see end screen. Just tap on end screen, and then it's going to show you different options. We have import from latest video, we have import from video, one video, one subscribe, we have one playlist, one subscribe, we have two videos, just different option. And this video is an 11-minute video, but the end screen is going to start at 11. You see where this black line is? That is where the end screen figure, end screen shape, those things that appear at the end of the video, that's sign, that's where it's going to start from 11 minutes, because this video is 11:19, so it starts before your outro. So you just choose, just look at it and choose, and you can choose anyone, you can work with anyone. You can decide to put one playlist or one subscribe. You can start to put two videos, but I always advise people to put two videos. Anyway, we'll tap elements, and then we'll see video, playlist, subscribe, channel, link, anyone you want to promote. It can be your playlist, it can be your subscribe button telling people to subscribe, it can be your channel, it can be a channel you want to feature, it can be a link of anything you want to sell. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be clicking on video. So once you click on video, you will see most recent upload, automatically feature the most recent upload from your videos. So you just choose the last video on your videos and add to there. Do you see where this blue screen is? It just adds to it. Or you can decide to choose, you can allow YouTube to choose for you, to choose what is best for your channel, that is best for viewer. You can also decide to choose specific videos, select from your video or any other video on YouTube that you want to feature. Just it's different option for you, but most times I advise people to actually allow YouTube to choose for you. But for the sake of this video, this is a vlog, and it is my second playlist, which is wholesome lifestyle, some vlogs about me. I'm going to be choosing from my videos, so I'm just going to choose a vlog to appear under it, because the video that I'm trying to work on is a vlog. So your own might be, you might be just doing only vlogs, you might just be doing only tutorial, you can just choose any video, or you can allow YouTube to choose for you. Any option is actually very okay. So I'm going to choose a vlog to be under this vlog. So you can see that I've chosen a vlog that I did before to be under this video. You can also choose the subscribe button. You tap element again and then you choose subscribe, so it appears by the other side. You can see it. This is where people can tap to subscribe, because your picture is there. Once they tap on it, they've subscribed. So you can leave your video like this, promoting one video and promoting one subscribe, or sometimes you can add one more video maybe below. So you just go back to video again and then choose best for viewer. So this one is when you now allow YouTube to choose for you. So this is another blue box that another video will come up from. I don't know the video they will choose. Once you tap that one, just allow them to do their work, but you will see the video at the end of your video on YouTube. So once you are done, remember to tap save, and that is it. So the same thing goes for cards. You know, some of these videos that appear, like the link appear when you're watching a video, it's the same thing like that. Maybe you want to refer people to, you can check this on the last video I made, or I shared a story about it on the last video I made, just something to refer them to. Once you tap on cards, it gives you different options. It can be you referring them a video or a playlist or a channel, whatever, but we'll choose video from this one. So you see this black arrow, that is where it is going to appear. So you move the black arrow to where you want that card to be. Like once you tell your subscribers that, oh, you can click on the link above to watch the video, maybe it's up, you said that at 3 minutes or 6 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever minutes, just move this black line to that particular timing. Once you touch it, it moves, you move it to that particular timing, and then that's where it's going to appear. So your video shows the moment you tap video, you pick the video you want to refer them to, and then just add it. It adds at whatever timing you choose, and then you just remember to save. I think that is it for it. If you have question or whatever question you have, please let me know in the comment section.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was detailed enough and you're able to get something to promote your videos subsequently. Always make sure to do anything possible to help your channel. It might look like it's not a serious thing, but once someone watch your video and they like your video, they are most likely going to click on it to watch the next one. So yeah, and if you want to promote any video, you can always attach that's your end screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, I want me to do video on any topic, drop it in the comment section and I'll do that for you. Bye.